Okay, hi there. I just wanted to say this is a tutorial video. I won't really be showing you how to do it, but we're gonna tell you how to clean off rust from your Blackstone Griddle. We've already did this, but here's a way to do it, and it's simple and easy. All you do is you get sea salt. Make sure you have a scraper like this for your Blackstone Griddle. Take sea salt, then you pour it all over your Blackstone Griddle. When you pour it all over your Blackstone Griddle, then you take paper towel and not a paper towel. I meant a Blackstone Griddle stone. A sponge brush, and you just put it all in. And then you wipe it. And sometimes you may need to do like a second layer. You may need to do a second layer.
Massive corner, like these guys were. Or was doing.
Well, then you need to. It may need, and then you get. This is where the scraper comes in. Then you rub it. And sometimes you need to do it a second time just to make sure. A second time, and then you take this and you scrape all the salt off. And like if it's on the wall, here, wait, hold up. Can you see this? Hold up. I'm trying to. Hold up. There. There. So you may not really be able to see it, but if it's on the walls, you just scrape down on the walls. And you scrape it all into a little. You scrape it all to one place. Then you scrape it off. You scrape it off then. And then you wipe it down with a paper towel. Then once you wipe down the grill with a paper towel, get oil, canola oil, because I'm not sure if any other oils work, but canola oil. Pour it on the paper towel. Make sure the paper towel's the first time you use the paper towel, you wiped it down. Second time, you get canola oil and you fold the paper towel and you put canola oil on it. You don't do this the first time, the second time is when you do it. And then you wipe down the Blackstone Griddle. And then I'm pretty sure that cleans your Blackstone Griddle too. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it cleans the rust off and cleans your Blackstone Griddle. I'm pretty sure. But that's all. Bye. Hold up. Bye.